Documents Manager can use Sheets tool to publish and distribute sheets for the use in the field. Everyone who has access to the product has access to Sheets. Sheets can be added directly or published to Sheets tool directly from files. Within Sheets, you also have the ability to go ahead and start marking up sheets for project use. So on the right-hand side is your standard toolbar. This is your select tool here. The next item here is your pen and highlighter. You do have the ability to go ahead and highlight certain area. And you could also freehand different shape using the pen tool. Next, you have your text box. You do have the ability to go ahead and add in different text box. And cloud. So within the cloud, you do have the ability to add in several references as well. So for instance, I had add in a file from my Autodesk Docs, a file management. I also had reference in an RFI, as well as a personal fall protection checklist form. The references allows you to add in any other sheets, link in other files, RFIs, forms, and submittals. And then, of course, on the left-hand side, you have your feature icon. The first one here are issues. It represents the link to other tools. For example, this issue here is once you click on the issue icon, you have the ability to go ahead and toggle through all the different issue type that you would like to create on this particular sheet. So for example, if there's a building code issue, I can go ahead and select that building code issue, apply it to this particular room, 109, and give it a title, a status, a description, and assigning this issue, and add a location as well as specify a due date. And last but not least, a root cause. Right? Next is our photo tool. This photos allowed you to go ahead and reference in any type of photos to the sheet here. And once I hit that, I can just hit add. It will take me to my photo depository within the tool, or I have the ability to go ahead and upload new. If I am using this tool on my iPad or my phone via the PlanGrid Build app, I also will be prompt if I click upload new, open up my camera, and I'm able to go ahead and snap the current pictures of what it is that I need to upload here on site. Right? And then last but not least is our measure tool. To measure anything on this page, you do have to go ahead and go through a calibration process. What that means is either you have to set a standard scale, whether it's a metric scale or a US standard scale here, or you have the ability to go ahead and go through a 2-point calibration. For example, if I do know that a door is 3 foot wide, I can go ahead and select the 2-point here. All right, and give it a unit. And it is going to be feet. Precision. Let's do the 16th and hit create and publish. So from now on, I do have the ability to go ahead and measure room area. I also have the ability linearly measure. I also have the ability to go ahead and measure areas. And last but not least, freehanding a polygon.